Today we're showing you a 2015 New Holland T4.75 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has a cab, heat and air, has the high visibility cab with the sunroof, also has a New Holland 655 TL quick attach front loader to go with it. Global style hookup for your bucket connection. Rail guard is there. Paint's in real nice shape on the tractor and loader. Got the mirrors and the lights on the cab. It does have the Galaxy radial tires on it, front and back. Those are in real nice shape. 2 entry doors in the cab. It's got 3 sets of rear wheel weights that are going with the tractor. A bit of a scratch here in the right rear fender. Telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars, 540 PTO. Tractor has dual hydraulics, rear wiper, rear work lights. As you can see, it's set up real nice. Toolbox right there on the side. Show you the inside of the cab. Has the air ride seat there for the operator. That seat does swivel left and right. Also has the buddy seat here. Tilt steering wheel. It's got the power shuttle. You can change direction without clutching with this lever right here. 3 ranges in the tractor. You got 3 ranges in the short lever there, plus the park. 4 synchronized gears up top. Plus the tractor also has the creeper range, which is kind of hard to find on these tractors. Control console, you've got your hydraulic, PTO, 3-point controls all there to the right of the seat. Down below you've got your differential lock, foot throttle, individual brakes and clutch pedals. Do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions, please give us a call.